This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we'll discuss roles concept. So very easy and important also in production, right? So all the playbooks. Okay, so we'll create like a rules only. It's not like a normal playbook. So whatever we created last time, right? So like that we will not create. For simple things we can create, but almost all the playbooks will go for the rules concept only. Same playbooks are same, but just simple concept will be different. Okay, that's it. So given the definition, so here you can see. So roles let you automatically load related variable files, tasks, handlers, and other unstable artifacts based on a known file structure. Once you group your content in role, you can easily reuse them and with them others. Like like reusable playbooks. So and okay, so roles will automatically load. So all this stuff under it means I'll tell you. If you see, right, okay, if you take any playbook, so okay, playbook what will have the target group. Yeah, target group. So then we'll have the variables, right? Variable file, variables, those things and all. Okay, so we'll have the handlers. Okay, so we'll have the tasks. So variables, handlers, tasks. So these things, right? And what else? Files, task, handlers, variable task. So just take these things. Okay. In same playbook, so we mentioned, if we take our last playbooks under in the same playbook we mentioned, right? So you should have mentioned same playbooks. What we will do, we will create a one structure, one folder structure called roles, okay? So the structure, so here, right, so variable one folder or one directory, okay, handlers one directory, tasks one directory. Yeah, so in variable, okay, so we'll create one directory called variable, like var something, okay. In that var we'll have the one main.yml. In that main.yml, so we'll mention the all variables. Same thing, okay. So we'll create one more directory or folder like called handlers. Within the handlers, so we'll create one YAML file called main.yml. So that name should be main.yml only. Okay, whatever, okay. So you mentioned, right, that your main code, okay, main variable something. So okay, the file name should be the main.yml. So here, so we'll mention the, so all handlers, like handlers, okay, handler syntax. Yeah, same thing. So we will create the one more directory called task directory. In task directory, so I will create one main.yml file. One, okay, so here, so we'll mention all task related syntax. Okay, syntax. Okay. Same thing. Whatever we did last time, right? Last time what we did, in same playbook, we mentioned variables, syntax, handlers, tasks, everything, right? So here, right, instead of mentioning same thing in same one playbook, what we'll do, we are segregating. Okay, so we'll create one structure, one folder structure. So in the structure, we'll have the different directories, var directories, handler directories, task directories, and all. Okay, in var directories, so okay, there we'll create the one file, main, okay, main.yml file. In that file, we'll mention the all variable, same like that, handlers. Okay, so finally, right, what we will do, we'll create the our main playbook, our playbook. Okay, so YML. So here what we'll mention, just I will refer the, just assume that, okay, so this is my role. So this role name I will give some sample role. For example, sample. Okay, sample sample role. Sample role. Okay. So here at my main playbook, what I will do first, target section. Okay, target section. Then roles. Roles. Just I will call my role name, sample role. That's it. So this is my main playbook. Main playbook, the first as usual will mention the target section, means host, the username, connection, gather facts, all the stuff bundle. So then okay, so I mentioned the one that roles statement or module. Just here I will call my role names. If I have multiple, multiple roles, same simple. Okay, sample role 2, sample role 3. If I have multiple, okay. For example, assume that this is for, okay, so Java, okay, same thing, right? Same thing, okay. So you can create one more role for other task. This is for Tomcat, okay. Same thing here. So Java, Tomcat. So like this, you can mention here, right? If you want to edit, for example, if you want to edit something, so just here only we will edit. Okay, here only we will edit. So main playbook will not edit. Okay. This is like reusable things, reusable playbooks. For example, so okay, so this is Ram's playbook. Okay, Ram working on it. For example, same thing. Okay, so .yml. For example, here, right? Okay, so Gaurav is working on it. Okay, so Gaurav working on it. Yes, so Gaurav is working on some other playbook. So he required, for example, if you require write some Java, uh, same thing. If you want to install Java or Tomcat, same thing. Again, you can. So here also you can refer the same code, like under functions. Okay. So here I have some stuff for Java, for Tomcat, right? So whenever we want, whoever they want, so they can refer this code. Functions, like kind of functions. You see. So here, right? So I have one role. Assume that this is some Java role, Java installing Java role under. So here I have one more role, like Tomcat role. Okay, Tomcat role. So here I have one more role. Here just installing Tomcat, those things and all. Here I have one more role. So for example, some different installing some X package. Yeah, some installing some X package and all. Okay. Here I have 3 roles. So installing Java, installing Tomcat, and installing X package and all. So here I have, this is my playbook. Okay? In my playbook, right? If I want, I can mention the Java role. Same thing, Tomcat role. If I want, I can mention the, so here, for example, the playbook. So for example, Revati is working on some other playbook. So she, if she wants, so she also for this role. Okay, just instead of rewriting same code, same syntax, just we can we can call the existing roles, like kind of reusable playbooks. Okay, Gaurav, Revati?
Yeah, Ram, got it.
Yeah, Ram.
Same, it's kind of functions. Okay, kind of functions. Okay, if you see that in any programming language, what we will do, so we'll define some function. In this function, we'll have some code. Okay, so whenever you require this code, right? Whenever, for example, this name is function one, some function one. Okay, so whenever this code, right? Whenever you require this code, again you will not rewrite. You will not rewrite this code. Just you will call this function. That's it. Simple. Here also roles also same concept.
Okay, Ram.
Okay. So make that rows. So here just okay. So Ansible. Okay. So we have one command. So okay, if we use that command, automatically that folder structure. If you see here, okay, you can see here some known file structure. Some known file structure. Rows let you automatically load related where files, tasks, handlers, and other Ansible artifacts based on the known file structure. So yes, so that known file structure we have to create. So no need to get manually. We have the command Ansible Galaxy. Okay, init means initializing. Okay, initializing some your role name. Okay, so for example, I will create something. Okay, some Apache or some name, whatever name you want. Okay, Ansible Galaxy init. Init means like initializing. I'm initializing the some Apache the role that folder structure, the file structure. Just enter. See the okay. So Apache was created successfully. Here why error means just use sudo. You can see Apache. Okay. So use a tree. You can see if you use tree command right in Linux. So we can see that tree. Okay, tree is not there yet. Just install yum install tree of the command. Okay, so we can see the file structure. The file structure. So here, okay, I have now Apache role, right? So just tree Apache. So you can see the structure. You can see the structure. So in Apache, I have the CD Apache. See, so okay, in Apache folder, so we have these many folders. I didn't create this many folders. Automatically, it's created the structure. Okay, if you use this command, right? So if you use this command, so automatically it will create the all that structure. So you can see in Apache means in my role Apache, there you can see defaulters, files, handlers, some meta, tasks, templates, tests, wheres. You can see all directory, all folders. Okay, I didn't create these folders. This folder automatically created. So I'm running this command. Okay, so if you see open that, okay, so that folder state, there you can see the one file called main.yml file. In that main.yml file, so we'll mention our syntax. For example, go defaults. I'll tell you what the defaults. So here you can see one main.yml file. So in this main.yml file, right? So we'll mention our syntax. This is empty file. If you open this file, this is empty file. Okay, this is empty file. Okay, in this empty file, so we'll mention our syntax. Come back. So same thing. Go any files. So here also you can see here nothing is there, right? Nothing. Files means we have to give our files, not syntax. Files like XML files. So whatever some files we have to mention. Okay. So go handlers. Go handlers. So here also you can see the one empty main.yml file. This is empty file. So in that empty file, we have to mention our handler syntax. Come back. Now go tasks. So here also you can see so one empty main.yml file. In this main.yml file, so we'll mention our tasks related syntax. Go back, go templates. Templates means templates. So here templates. So here you will not get any files. Templates. Okay. So here will mean the templates. Go VATs. Go VATs. Go VATs. So here also you can see the one empty main.yml file. In this empty main.yml file, we will mention all our variables. Okay, Revati, Gaurav, any confusions here?
No, Ram.
Okay. Revati, any confusions, Revati?
No, Ram.
Okay. No, so here that you can see defaults. Defaults means defaults, variables, both are similar. Means you can mention your variables here in VATs file, and also here also you can mention defaults. Also you can mention, like, just see, it's both are similar. Defaults and variables, the variable directory, default directory, both are similar. Okay, both are similar. So you can mention variables there. Files means you can mention the files. Files here we have one concept like like files means so whatever files, some XML files or any shell script or Python scripts if you want to execute in remote machines. So those things here you can mention. Handlers, already we knows what is the handlers, already we knows. Meta means some metadata. Who is the author? What is the version? Okay, okay. I'm writing one playbook. Okay, for that playbook, who is the author or what is the version? Your email ID, something, some metadata, your information. Tasks, already we knows what is the tasks. Templates already we knows what is the templates. So test means, okay, so you just read test nothing. Test means, right? So here, right, just we can test our playbooks using some commands and all. So okay, we can test our playbooks. I will show you later. VATs, already we know what is the VATs. Okay, right. So any questions so far?
No, Ram.
No, Ram.
Okay, if you see, right, so our playbook, same thing. Playbook. So here you can see, okay, one roles, go to roles. These are our roles, okay, like Apache. Okay, here, right, just I have created one role name, Apache role, right? So same thing like here, just open any one role. So you can see the same file structure. You can see defaults, files, handlers, meta, tasks, templates, test, VATs. Okay, that readme file. You can see same thing. Okay, if you issue that command Ansible Galaxy init your role name, automatically it will create that folder structure. Okay, so now go to your variables. I'll go to my variables, and I will mention my variables here. So here you can see one default empty file. So open this empty file. Okay, so here I will mention my variables. For example, here I'm trying to install the Apache, the HTTPD. So where just enough one. Okay, so for understanding purpose, just I'm already videos what the variables. I'll go where is equal to or mention my where. Sometimes, right? Okay, this things under where under the default modules or default that one. Okay, we should not use variables. That's the default things. Okay, and then just change the name. That's it. So where one, where two, or my where, something, some names. You see here. So means variables. I think I already we know that variables means. Okay. Already we saw last time. our variables. Okay, so I will name the myvar, this thing, myvar. So httpd, okay, httpd, okay, gives character spelling mistakes. And again, if you go something right, wrong something right, if you do any spelling mistakes, right, again you have to come back, you have to search all the files. Okay, so use correct syntax and correct that one. So okay, if you want multiple, you can define, but just for demo purpose, again only one variable. Okay, httpd. So save it. Okay, so then come back. Come back, then go tasks. We'll define our tasks. Okay, here also you can see the by default empty means our syntax we should mention in the only main.yml. The file name should be the main.yml file only. If you use any other name for abc.yml, it will not load. It will not load. Okay, it will not load. So here, if you want, you can create one more YAML file like abc.yml or extra YAML file. That, but then you can include it. You can include it in main file. I will show you. Means here, right? Basically, so we need to mention a main syntax or your main syntax in main.yml file only. So okay, so tasks. So hyphen name. Okay, so installing myvar. Here I'm calling myvar, that variable. Okay, so name equal to myvar, so state equal to present, whatever some present and all. Okay, here, right, so you can mention whatever your condition, loops, as usual. So if you require conditions, loops, that all those things you can mention here. Okay, so anyway, I'll mention notify also here, or notify. So some service, some service. Okay, just here I mentioned only my tasks. Okay, my tasks. If you want multiple tasks as per your requirement, loops, conditions, those things you can. Okay, already this is already knows whatever I mentioned here. Okay, done this thing. So then if you want, go handlers. So here also you can see one empty main.yml file. Go there. So here define your, write your handler syntax. Handler syntax. Okay, so hyphen handlers. Handlers. Their service, right? I define service. I'm calling service. Name is equal to service. Okay. Service. Name is equal to HTTP. Service. Again, here also you can call the myvar. Here my daemon name, my package name, both is same, right? So that's why I can call it. State is equal to, we started this. Okay, so any questions here?
No, Ram.
So just I'll check once the syntax is correct or not. Just 1 second, I will Just I'll check syntax. Okay, so you have your wish. If you want, you can mention. You can, otherwise you can't. That up to your requirement. Okay? You can requirement. Sometimes we'll not go for the hands. We'll go for direct. Okay? Without hands also you can. Just I'll check that syntax is correct or not. My network also slow. My net also, that's why it is loading slowly. Oh, my net also slow here, so that's why, right? So just 1 second. Handlers, go handlers. Name. Yeah. Series. Okay. Okay. So this is not required. Okay. Handlers is not required. The first line of not required. Okay. So as well. So this thing. That handler is not required. Just mention here. Your service views. This is my notified name. My notified name. Okay. In my notify, I mentioned the that service. So that's why I'm mentioning same thing service. And okay, your syntax. Syntax. You can hear. So if you want, you can mention the multiple things. Okay, not only one. Multiple things you can mention. And you can mention the condition, whatever we discussed, all the stuff and all. So you can mention. Okay, not only one or two things. Okay, so save it. Service correct, spelling correct, right? I'll again I'll go. Tasks mandatory. Service, okay, fine. So then we define variables, and as are defined, tasks are defined, defaults and variables both are same. Templates means the templates. Okay, so already we know the templates. I'll show you later if you want. In templates, you can mention, okay, so you can save all your templates in templates or files. Okay, that I will show you later if you require. Okay, so this is enough for okay sample. So just now I will write my main playbook. Sudo vi something. Okay, my playbook. Whatever name you want, you can put it. .yml. So here, as usual, okay, as usual, yes, I will copy it. Your target section, okay, your target section. Just anyway, I'll mention only something. Post. I'll whatever. So okay. Yes, simply roles. Call your role name. Okay. So what's my role name? Apache. That's it. Okay. Roles. Okay. That's it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Here in Apache, I have all my stuff. Whatever tasks, variables, all of my stuff. Just here, right? In my main play, in my main playbook, just I'm calling the role. That's it. Any questions so far? Gaurav, Revati?
No, Ram, looks good.
Okay, save it. Just Ansible -playbook. If you want -yes, my playbook. Okay, in my case, so already it is installed, so that's why you can't see all those things, handles, those things. Just I'll remove remove HTTPD. Yeah. After removing, again I'm executing my playbook. So here you can see here. So okay, HTTPD, handler, all the stuff and all. Yeah, this one. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Any questions so far? Gaurav, Revati? Any questions so far?
No, Ram.
Okay. Same thing. I will create one more role. Okay. And bull,
Yeah.
Galaxy, init, whatever role you want. Okay. So here I will some git whatever role. Okay. Some okay. But here I'm going for okay, just simple modules. If you want whatever, okay, you can install whatever you require. So git. Okay. So done. So you go git also, you can see everything same. So I'll go again where git where's. Okay, so sudo vi. So here some variable whatever. Okay, again my where one some name whatever. Okay, so git done. Then I'll go to tasks. Tasks as usual. Here also we'll have the one main.yml file. One name, install. Name, name, state equal to present. That okay. So the remaining things, notify, handlers, conditions, that's up to your wish based upon your requirement. But here I'm not doing any handlers and just simple. Okay. Just I mentioned my variables and tasks. Okay, the remaining things, okay, if you want, as per your based upon your requirement, you can mention or you can ignore also. No issues. Okay. So then done. Right. Done here. Go your main playbook. Sudo vi. So role symbol. Here my one more role git. Just mention git. That's it. Automatically it will load. So that's it. Git. Now I just execute your playbook. So you can see the install video. Why no handlers means already it was done. Already I installed its current playbook. That's why handlers not installing. Okay. So you can see git here. My other playbook. Other role. Sorry, other role. Okay. Gaurav, Revati.
Ram, one question.
Hmm.
So every time whenever we want to create roles, we need to initialize via Ansible Galaxy.
Yes. Whenever you want to create a new role, so okay, you have to run this command.
Yeah.
Yes, you have to run this command and with a new role name.
So how this association happened? See, all these folders are nothing but your folder structure, right? It's like simple
Yes,
folder. Inside Apache, you have
yes,
4 to 5 folder, default, files, handlers,
yes.
right? It's something like just a normal folder structure.
Yeah. See here, right? The Galaxy means that so the Ansible Galaxy is the so one of like one of the Ansible the stuff Ansible maybe the plugin Ansible plugin. Okay, so automatically, okay, so if you use that command, automatically it will create that folder structure.
Okay.
So the Ansible F1 Galaxy is that by default. So if you install Ansible, so you will get all the default modules plugins. So here also Ansible F1 Galaxy is the one of the plugin, the Ansible plugin. So if you use Ansible Galaxy in it, so your role name it will initiate, it will create the your file structure, your folder structure.
Okay. Okay. Got it. It's nothing but it's just a folder structure. It will create a folder structure.
That's it. Okay, yeah. The
If you want,
syntax
you
we
can
have to
create
mention.
manually also.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Manually is tedious because it has like 5 to 6 folders and then each folder creates some different files. Okay,
Yes.
got it.
So, Revati, any questions, Revati?
No, Ram.
Okay. Same thing. So here also, right? If you see same, okay, whatever we discussed, already we saw all these things, right? So all our roles, multiple roles. Okay. So you can see for each role, if you want to get for each role, you have to run that Ansible Galaxy init command. Okay. Just open any one role. You can see the same that file, the folder structure, same folder structure. If you open, so in every folder, you can see the one default file, managed YAML file. In this managed YAML file, so we have to mention our syntax. Okay. So you can see everything. Okay. So whatever file you want, same thing. Okay. So handlers one minute. Okay. Here we are not using any handlers. But up to your wish. If you want, you can use the handlers, or you can ignore also. Okay. We are not using any handlers here. But up to your decision. Okay, right. So then if you see playbooks, these are our playbooks. Okay, just open simple playbook. Nothing is there. Even playbook, okay. Only you can see only your role name. That's it. You can see here. A simple role name. Role name means this is my role. So okay, deploy via right. Deploy VMware right. Go roles. You can see deploy VMware. This is my role. Just role I called into my main playbook role. Okay, you can see here. You can see one more thing. Okay, that I will see later. Okay, same. If you open any playbook, so okay, same. Nothing will be there in playbook. Simply, just we will call the role only. Open other playbook. Install Sims. Open this playbook. Here also you can see nothing is there. Only just okay. Install Sims. This is my role. Install Sims is my role. You go role. You can see here, role. My role name install Sims. If you open this install Sims, so there if you go task, here I have the, you can see here in this file I will have the my main the syntax with the okay, you can see all these things. Okay, like that. So clear? Any questions, Ravati? Okay. Gaurav?
No, no.
So these things, right? This thing, what is this thing means here, right? If you see our role, take any one role, go to Apache. So here you can see variables, right? Variables. In this file, in where directory, you can mention that role related variables. Just assume that you have n number of roles. Here if you see, right? Here if you see, okay. So here we have the n number of roles. Okay, n number of roles. So how many rows we have? 16 rows we have. You can see here we have the 16 rows. Okay, 16 rows and right. Okay, so here instead of putting the variables in that, okay, so in the VARs files, what we did here, we created one directory here. So outside of roles, you can see outside of role, we create one directory, that group VAR something, group some directory. Okay, in that directory, so we mention the all our variables. Okay, all. Okay, so you can see it. Okay, whatever variables you think. Okay, whatever variables you think. Okay, while writing playbooks or whatever, while okay, so designing this things and all. So okay, wherever you think, all okay, variables, all the variables I mentioned one file only, one file in some external file. In some external file, I will mention all my variables. It is not related to roles, it's not related to my playbook. Okay, so okay, wherever I think, wherever I feel, this is my, okay, this should be variable, this should be variable. So while okay, reviewing, while designing my all the stuff, okay, the stuff and all, so I'll come to this file, I'll mention as a variable. Okay, here, right, so I mentioned like this. If you go back one, go roles. So in here, right, in okay, in take any one role. Here, right, in VARs, nothing is there. In this VARs, nothing is there. We didn't mention. So here, we didn't mention anything here. Just we left blank only. Nothing mentioned. Why? Because so we are using the external variables. External variables. So in external, in some external file, I mentioned all my variables. Wherever I think. So wherever I feel this is some variable. All my variables I mentioned in the some external file, not in roles variable file. Some external file I mentioned. Okay, in my playbook, right? So that's why in my playbook, just I called my variables. This is my external variable file. What we did in last classes and all. Okay, so just here I call my external file location, file location. Next step, roles. Okay, it's easy, right? So if you define here, right? So sometimes you will confuse. Okay, if you define your variables, right, in that roles var file, var directory, sometimes you will confuse. If you have one or two rows, that's fine. Okay, if you have n number of rows, so okay, that then sometimes you will confuse. So to avoid that confusion, so what we did, so in some external files, some in external file, okay, some in some external file, we define all our variables instead of defining that rows var directory. Same thing in playbook, you can tell that your that external variable file and next your role. Okay, Gaurav, Revati.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ram. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, right. So now, so same thing here also we can find the one website like Ansible Galaxy. Ansible Galaxy. Stuck. Ansible Galaxy. Just okay, Ansible Galaxy. You can see galaxy.ansible.com. Okay, you can see Ansible galaxy.ansible, like same. Okay, Ansible, same Ansible, but different plugin or different what is the module something. Okay, here you can see page or go Galaxy. Just open Galaxy. Open Galaxy. Galaxy Red. So So here you can see some search page and go search page. Here go search page. So here, right? So like you get a playbook, for example, any playbook, and you can upload into Galaxy. So like a free, like open source tool. If you want, you can write on playbook. You can upload into Galaxy, or you can download any okay. So existing playbooks from the Galaxy. So here you can see, okay, you can see here this guy, some guy, okay, Alkins. So this guy wrote one playbook, means one, yeah, playbook means the role concept, okay, the role concept, and he uploaded here Galaxy. Such is a Tomcat. So you will get the all Tomcat related rules here. Means that predefined, that okay, the playbooks whatever. So if you see here, okay, you can see here. So some guy wrote that Tomcat role and uploaded into Galaxy. Here also you can see one more guy, Robert Debok, some name, okay, some their git name. Okay, so he wrote the role for Tomcat, he uploaded. If you want, you can download. You can see how many downloads. Okay, how many the score, the rating also, the GitHub rating, how many downloaded this role. Just here you can see. If you want, you can download this thing. Same and vice versa. If you want, you can write one role. You can upload into this Galaxy. This is open source. Like no, like if you see the stack, we have one more thing, stack over something. Some no, just open source tool, the open source some platform. Okay, so if you want, you can also upload, or you can download whatever book you require. You can download. For example, so if I open this Tomcat, just open this Tomcat, and you can see my right hand side. I will tell you later. So here, if you want, you can download this thing. And if you want to see here, go GitHub repository. If you want to download in your Linux, your server, you can, okay. So you can run this. So this rule means this playbooks or this rule will get into your server, or you can see the here also GitHub repo. Click GitHub repo. That's whatever we discussed. Same. Okay, here you can download this one, and you can edit as per your requirement. It's still loading, it's opening. So here my net is somewhat slow. So here you can okay. So here you can see. So this is
Ram, I think your voice is breaking in.
for you. Some time. So are you able to see my screen on that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Ram,
Ram. But your voice is breaking, Ram.
Hear me?
Yeah, now
Hello?
it's much
Gaurav,
better.
Revati, are you? Hello?
yeah.
Yeah, Ram.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yep. Hello?
No, Ram, your voice is breaking actually.
Revati, I'm getting, but not clear what you are saying.
Your voice is breaking, Ram. It's not clear, your voice.
Okay, now I can hear you, Revati.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now?
Yeah, Ram, now much better, yeah.
Okay. Gaurav, are you able to hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, right, if you see, okay, just, okay. So I opened that guy, okay. So Robert something debug is okay. Same thing, whatever we discussed here, same thing. If you go task, you go to here, right? If you want to download this thing, so okay, you can using this, okay. You can clone. So this is that day GitHub project. You made it public. If you want, you can download, you can clone it, and you can edit, you can modify as per your requirement. So go task. Are you able to hear me that clearly?
Yeah, Ram.
Hello? Are you able to hear me that clearly?
Yeah, Ram, I can
No?
hear you.
Yeah, Ram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Some okay. So just to open that, okay. So there, right? Okay, open tasks. So here you can see multiple files. Any idea
Ram,
why
this is breaking again.
here you have multiple files, and we can see one file that main and that YAML file also. Okay, main YAML file also. In main.yaml file, he has his main code. Okay, the remaining things is some normal YAML files he may include here. Okay. So now right today I am in my hometown. Okay, in my village. Maybe some network issues. Anyway, time 8 o'clock, right? This we can finish with just only 5 to 10. It will take only 5 to 10 minutes only. That Galaxy. Okay, so we'll see in my next class. Okay.
Okay, Ram. Yeah, no
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Ram, are you planning to have class on Saturday night our time?
Saturday night. Okay. So I will be night.
It will
Your
be
time or
Sunday
my
morning.
time?
Saturday
What
night our time.
tomorrow, Gaurav?
Not tomorrow, Saturday, Revati. Are you free on that day?
Yeah, okay.
Saturday, same time, 9:30
Okay.
our time. So Sunday morning, your time, same.
Okay. I'll ping you. Okay, I'll let you know.
Yeah,
So I
just
came to my hometown. Okay. I came to my hometown. Okay. So I will. Okay.
sure, no problem. Just let
I'll
us
ping
know
you.
if you are available. Otherwise, we can do
Yeah.
it on.
Yeah. Thanks.
As usual, yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.